Welcome to the Corona Homeschooling OS Hallau 2020. Enjoy and learn something. Well, the next thing I'm going to show you is how we use the present perfect. The present perfect is generally used for things that have happened for a longer time until now, or that they have just happened shortly before now. But the most important thing for you is that you know and recognize the signal words for the present perfect. And here they are on my blackboard. It's just, already, for, since, never, and ever. If you know and recognize these words, it's very easy for you to find out when you use the present perfect. And I will. Okay, let's repeat the signal words and use them in sentences. Okay, let's start with the first one, just. Look at this sentence. We have again the helping verb to have, the past participle done, and the signal word just. I have just done my homework. Next one is the same. We have the helping verb, the past participle, and the signal word. He has already eaten his apple. Same for the next one. We have worked for 2 days. We have the signal word for, the helping verb to have, and the past participle worked. They have slept since 10 o'clock. The signal word since and the helping verb have, the past participle slept, which is of course irregular verb from the verb to sleep. Tamsin has never seen a whale. The signal word is never. We have the helping verb has and the past participle seen from the verb to see. And finally, have you ever heard about her? So we use the signal word ever normally in questions. And we have again the helping verb at the beginning and the past participle here of the verb to hear, which is heard. So, have a look at these signal words. You will find them again in your language companion on page 32. So, let's put all that together. Number one, to form the present perfect, we need the helping verb have and always have, plus the past participle of the main verb. Number two, you use the present perfect with the following signal words: just, already, for, since, never, and ever. I hope you could understand how to form and how to use the present perfect. Now I wish you good luck with the exercises. Thank you for listening and watching. See you soon on this channel.